Welcome to another mini Sudoku hard level puzzle. In this puzzle, I'm going to solve this mini Sudoku puzzle. In mini Sudoku, we have only six entries in each column and rows, and there are six cells. So we have to fill from number 1 to 6. The techniques are same as we apply in the full size Sudoku. Same techniques can be used to fulfill this or solve this Sudoku. Watch carefully how I scan through the puzzle and see the possible options available or easily pickings so I can fulfill without guessing. So in this way, my errors are minimized and I haven't utilized any hints in this solving this puzzle. So and attempts to solve different level of Sudoku, you must start with beginner levels and then up and so on up to medium and then hard one. And mini Sudoku is a good step to start to get master in the Sudoku puzzle. Please send your feedbacks in the comments and share this video. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.